So, it's day 2 of the Mark 1 aquaponic system getting set up. Right now we're testing the water to make sure that the ecosystem is getting established. I put a couple of seedlings to start off with, but from the readings, they might not be enough. As you can see, we have our pH meter right here, and our pH is reading a little bit high. So right now on the high pH we're about an 8.2. Now what that's telling me is either the pH of the actual water's off, or I got some ammonia or nitrates and nitrites in the system. Next thing I do is I test for ammonia, right? And as you can see, the ammonia, we're about 0.5 ppms, part per million, which is somewhat of a tolerable range. We really want to aim for 2.5. So what I tested next would be the nitrite, right? So if the nitrites are coming through, that means bacteria has been in the system and starting to break the ammonia down. So right now we have this is about 0.5 to 0.1 parts per million. So ammonia is getting broken down. The bacteria is doing that. And the nitrate, we have about 10 ppm part per million. So what that's telling me is that the system, the bacteria is established, but the plants aren't absorbing the nutrients fast enough. So let's take a look at this. As you can see, I started off with a couple little seedlings, some bell peppers, basil, again some more bell peppers. I put in some watermelon seeds and cilantro. So I did add the cilantro today, as well as the green bell peppers and the red bell peppers. So I got plants that have already been somewhat established so that we can absorb more of the waste. I might need to grab another basil plant or two, just because these are small and aren't absorbing all the nutrients yet. So I just planted these red bell peppers today. We'll check on it tomorrow. If we need more plants to absorb the waste, then we're gonna do that to establish our system. Now, during these first couple of days, if we have high ammonia, we're not gonna adjust the pH lower until that ammonia is balanced, as well as the nitrates and nitrites, because we will overshoot and make the water too acidic. We do have the bacteria going, so that is breaking down the ammonia waste from the fish, but we just need to absorb those nutrients fast enough. So those plants just got started. The beginning stages are the most crucial for monitoring until that full ecosystem is established. So we'll monitor it for the next couple days, add some plants as necessary, and go from there. Now, if you want to build your own Mark 1 system, go to Amazon and search Aquaponics Rebellion, Green Thumb Guide to the Future. Or you could go to aquaponicsrebellion.com and click on the book link right there. In the meantime, I'm going to have some more videos on how to maximize your aquaponic systems. And stay tuned, so click subscribe, and until the next video.